The Smurfs and the Lost Time Stone. One sunny morning in Smurf Village, the birds were chirping, the sun was shining, and the Smurfs were happily starting their day. Papa Smurf was working on a new potion in his lab. Chef Smurf was baking a blueberry cake, and Hefty Smurf was lifting weights. Everything was peaceful, until Grouchy Smurf came running from the deep forest, looking alarmed. Papa Smurf, there's a strange glowing stone in the forest, and around it, it's like time has stopped. Papa Smurf's eyes widened. He followed Grouchy into the woods. Just as Grouchy had said, there was a glowing blue-green stone on the ground, but everything around it, leaves, insects, even the wind, was frozen. Time seemed completely still. "This is a time stone," Papa Smurf whispered. "It's one of the legendary stones lost by ancient wizards. If it falls into the wrong hands, it could stop time forever." Just then, a familiar evil laugh echoed through the trees. "Mamahahaha! The time stone is finally mine!" It was Gargamel. He had followed the Smurfs with his cat Azrael and had discovered the stone's location. As Gargamel touched the time stone, it floated into the air and began spinning. Instantly, time stopped for everyone, except Papa Smurf and the three Smurfs who first saw it: Grouchy, Hefty, and Brainy. Papa Smurf looked serious. "The stone is linked to our timeline. Only the first ones who saw it are unaffected. We have to stop Gargamel, or time will remain frozen forever." The four Smurfs rushed back to the village to retrieve a special map hidden by Mapmaker Smurf long ago. According to the map, the time stone had come from the heart of the Time Well, a hidden cave deep in the Forgotten Mountains. If they could return the stone to its source, time would flow again. The journey was full of danger. First, they crossed the silent forest, where no sound could be heard, and everything was motionless. Then they climbed the reverse hills, where time moved backward, falling water floated upward, and thrown stones returned before they landed. Finally, they reached the Time Well. Inside, they found an ancient stone platform glowing with magical symbols. Just as they approached, Gargamel appeared again. He tried to grab the stone, but Hefty Smurf distracted Azrael, and Brainy Smurf used his clever thinking to trap Gargamel in a time bubble. Inside it, 5 minutes felt like 5 years. Papa Smurf placed the stone on the platform. Instantly, everything resumed. Leaves swayed in the wind, birds chirped, and the rivers flowed again. Time was back to normal. The Smurfs returned to the village as heroes. Papa Smurf sealed the time stone safely in his lab, far from evil hands. That night, all the Smurfs gathered in the square. Chef Smurf made the biggest blueberry cake ever, and they danced and sang until the stars sparkled in the sky. Papa Smurf stood up and smiled. "Remember, my little Smurfs," he said, "you only realize the value of time when it stops, so enjoy every moment." And Smurf Village lived happily and peacefully once more.